Hi everyone, my name is Betty DuBois. Welcome to my course, Protocol Deep Dive DNS. I'm a packet detective. Since 1997, I've been helping people understand how packets affect the user experience. Solving network and application mysteries is my passion. Teaching others how to do the same is my calling. There's over 370 million domain names, and the DNS protocol guides us to all of them. In fact, if you're looking at a screen, you're using DNS. In this course, we're going to use an example network created in Azure with 3 locations, 4 DNS servers, and multiple zones. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include implementing DNS zones, configuring load distribution, filtering DNS at the server, and validating it all with Wireshark. By the end of the course, you'll know how DNS works from a packet level at both the client and each of the different server types. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic networking concepts and Wireshark operation. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into the other Network Protocol Deep Dive courses. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the domain name system with the Protocol Deep Dive DNS course at Pluralsight.